Hey guys, it's Kat, and today we're going to make these oatmeal goat's milk soaps. So let me show you what you're going to need. Okay, so to make this oatmeal soap, the easiest way possible is to do this Crafter's Choice. It's already a melt and pour base, so you don't have to make your own with coconut oil and all this other stuff. If you want coloring, there's coloring. I'm using Shimmer Cappuccino. You're going to need a little knife to cut the colorant out. You're going to need a teaspoon for the smell. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, some homemade oats, not the instant oats, kind of ground up. And by the way, this is 2 pounds. You're going to need 2 pounds. You're going to need 5 to 6 teaspoons of your fragrance, and then whatever color, you just how dark you want it. You're going to need a spatula and some molds, and I just have these molds. It's like a horse, and I live in Fallbrook, so it's a very horse town, and then I thought these were kind of cool. Okay, and then you're gonna need something to melt it in. People melt it in their microwave. I'm gonna, I always do my candle in this. It has a nice little pour thing, so I'm gonna try to do it with that. So what we're gonna start with is we're going to cut this into pieces and start melting it on top of our stove. Okay, you're gonna need a bigger knife to cut your soap, and this is goat's milk, and it's already made. It's like an oatmeal. What's it say on here? It is a signature oatmeal soap. So as you can see, it's got like stuff on it already. Smells like vanilla, kinda. Okay. Okay, so now it's a little overloaded, so hopefully it fits all in there. So you're gonna melt your soap. If you want, again, you can do it in the microwave. I would try to do burst sessions of like 20 seconds at a time to get it melted, because I read that if you overburn it, your soap is gonna smell, and you don't want that. So let's get it melted down, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I recommend doing this large quantity in your microwave. It's a lot faster. Okay, spray your molds with rubbing alcohol. Add in your oatmeal, your fragrance, and your color. Okay, so I mixed everything in, and now you want to get all the bubbles out. And then after you do that, you spray. Gets all the bubbles out.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's wait and see what they look like when they're all dry. Okay, so I have these in the fridge, so they're nice and hard and ready to pop out. And this is the tedious part. I recommend a small little knife.
What I mean?
Just talking to myself over here. To go along the sides. and kind of pop. Ta-da! There it is. There you go. Now you can put a little wrapping paper on it, ingredients, and sell it to the community, your neighbors, and that's what I'm going to do with these. So if you guys have any questions, ideas, let me know. I think the next thing I'm going to try is chopsticks. So I'll see you on that video. Thanks. Bye.
Pizza or the, like, make a burrito.